Now let me introduce this apparent viscosity tester to you all. An operation. First, we connect the circulation pipe to the equipment. After the connection is done, we will install the power cord properly. After the connection is done, we will install the power cord properly. Another one is this oil pump. Install them as a whole in place. Then we open the cover of the refrigeration machine. Put anhydrous ethanol inside. Fill up the instruments. After filling it up, install the lid in place. Then we turn on the instrument. There are 4 options after turning on the instrument. The first one is sample testing. Click on the main page. After clicking in, then we can input the temperature normally. Then click Start the experiment. The second one is calibration. There are current calibration and sample calibration. The third one is to set the time setting. The fourth one is the calibration data. We based on the sample. Set at 25 degrees. His suggested temperature is 45 degrees. Then we turn on the cooler. Set the temperature at -45 degrees. Then wait for the temperature to drop. Now let's prepare the samples first. Clean the test tank. First, we turn on the instrument lights. After opening it, we extract petroleum ether. Extract the petroleum ether and inject it into the oil injection port. Then connect the oil pump. Click the Start button on the screen. After extracting it clean, click Close. Clean twice repeatedly. After cleaning, we will clean it again with the sample. Inject the experimental slot in the same way.
实验槽。
Then enter the oil pump. Click to draw. After the cold bath temperature reaches the preset temperature, turn on the temperature control of the instrument. Set the temperature to our preset temperature of 25 degrees. Set it to 25 degrees. Then take samples. Continue to inject the sample slot. Until the liquid level is level with the sample chamber. Then rotate the rotor to empty the bubbles inside. Then we open the loop.
之后，我们打开循环。
The instrument begins to cool down. Then we click start. The instrument keeps time by itself. The experiment is over. The instrument automatically shows the result.